How are you doing today? So I have 8 Christmas cover kits here for you, and I'm so excited about them. I've had them for a while, but I've been hanging on to them because I wanted to wait for after Halloween. You don't want to start too soon. I mean, I know the stores do, but I really didn't want to do that. So I'm happy to have these for you available on my Etsy shop. So we have 8 9x6 Christmas cover journals, and these are going to be, I should make a little note here. Hold on while I make a little note here so I know what I'm going to call them so that when you get them, you'll know what they are. So these are going to be the black Christmas tree journals. Pardon me for writing Xmas. I just did that to be in a hurry. Black Christmas trees, okay? And so I have 2 of these, and these are stunning. There's metallic, and they shine, and they're really beautiful. And they have a nice, this one has a nice metallic insert. I'm not sure. Yeah, they both do. So they both have this really beautiful green kind of metallic. And like I said, they're 9x6. There's a, what do you call it? An eyelet here so that you can dangle any kind of like a dangle off there if you'd like, any kind of charm or anything. Each journal comes with a little kit of like stuff to get you started, and they're not completely finished. So what you see here, everybody's going to get, but what you see here, it's not finished. I've got more stuff. Like I've got these little stockings I want to add to them. These are little felt stockings, and these are just lovely. And so these should get you started in your journal. Now, I don't know if you're going to make a fatty patty out of this or if you're going to make an actual Christmas journal, which a Christmas fatty patty is what I would do, because I'm going to be pulling out my Christmas fatty patty here shortly, so you can play along with me there. And each one is going to have what we have in here. There's going to be a slight differences here and there, but they'll have the same pieces. So everybody's just going to get a little tiny felt Santa and a beautiful swatch of red velvet ribbon and some glittery bric-a-brac, red bric-a-brac, and then just some beautiful like trim for your page. And then everybody's going to get one of these, but I don't know if they're going to be all different. Like some people will have Santas, some people will have angels. This particular cover kit has these 2 little adorable little felt reindeers that you can cut out. Everybody's going to get a couple of these cute little napkins, and you've seen me make tags out of these napkins before, so there's lots of fun on these napkins because all of them are not just the one-sided. Like this one has oh my gosh, this one has bunnies. I didn't even see that, to be quite honest. Look at this cute little, like, it's got 2 little like snow scenes. Peace in our hearts draws friends near, and there's a couple of little bunnies. This is adorable, little squirrels and little birds. So these are super sweet. I hope I can hold that back up right. So there's that. And then, of course, each one has matching tags, that matches the cover. So there's that. And I made those. So those are made very nicely. I love the way these came out. Little teddy bear, a little card teddy bear, a to from tag. He's kind of a vintagey guy. It doesn't have a date on it, but he's vintagey. And I don't know if it's vintage, but he's vintagey because I do have some vintage stuff coming down the pipe, but not right now. And this is another little wooden stocking to play with. Just some Christmas note paper. And everyone will get one of these little felt Santas and probably one of these little felt, definitely one of these little felt guys. But I don't want to put it in yet because I have a method to make sure that everybody gets one, and I don't want to screw that method up. This beautiful envelope that I just thought was stunning. So it's very Christmassy. I'm going to put that in there. And then everybody's going to get one of these like little box things that you can fold up and put together. And some will be round, and some will be pyramid, and some will be octagon. They'll all be a little bit different. And then everybody's going to get one of these galvanized tin, whatever. It's tin words. So it's very, you can do whatever you want with this. It's very farmhousey. So this is a really in thing. You can decorate it and do whatever you want with it, but I'm just going to leave it there and let you do what you want with it. Also, some say believe, some say joy, some will say believe, joy, and some say peace. So they're all a little bit different, but they're all there is a galvanized piece in each one of these kits. And then also there's going to be a few other little extra doodads and whatnots that I'm going to add to these bags. These little bags are just little extras for you to get started in your junk journal, okay, or your kit or your journal or however you do it. You can sew your signatures in these. That would be lovely. I've got to put this in some tissue paper, but right now I'm just going to put it in here like so. It will become wrapped in some tissue though. So yeah, so there's that one. This is called the black tree, the black Christmas tree. So we have the black Christmas trees. We have 2 of those are available. Okay, so put that there. And then this is so pretty. I love this one. I love them all. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I've got a couple favorites, but I'm not gonna tell you what those are. They're not my favorites. This one has a little bling on it too, a little metallic. And it's got red. Let's see if this other one has red. I don't know, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. It has green. But I'm going to go ahead and just put these down as holly. We're just going to call it holly leaves. And I'm going to go ahead and pick whatever your cover is, whether it's red or green. I'm not going to go ahead and put, I'll just do it that way. It's okay. These are journals, and if these are for you, you're probably going to. I need to cut that off, or you can cut that off. It's just a piece of the fabric went through when I put the eyelet in. Anyway, you can cover it with what do you call it? Art. Art. Anyway, so this one basically has the same things, everything that you saw in there, but of course, the galvanized piece of tin is different, and also the little the box that you can fold up is a little bit different. So there's 2 of those, and they have the tags and everything's in there the same as the Christmas tree. Everybody has the same stuff, so that's fun. All right, you guys are gonna know that the next ones are like, okay, I love them. What can I say? I love them all, but I love them all for different reasons. But I love these because they have the sparkle, and I love these because they have the snowbirds. I mean, seriously. And they're like light blue, and there's like, can you see the snowflakes? And it's just wintry and crisp and fun. And these have 2 little tags to go with them as well. Super cute, super cute. So there's the little snowbird, and we're going to say 2. We're going to call these snowbirds. I'm writing this down. Oh, everything is 9 by 6, so you know that. Everything is 9 by 6. So we have the 2 snowbirds. And then I think the last 2 that I have available are, of course, 2 red trucks with dogs. So 2 red trucks with pooches, but we're just going to call it the 2 red trucks, okay? And again, these are beautiful. They've got the eyelet in them. Everything's got the eyelet so that you can hang your own thing in. And they're fabric. I don't know if I mentioned that, but you guys know that about my covers. They're all fabric. I think what's happening is you guys are starting to collect these because I do make them pretty much the same size and style. And I think they'd be adorable all lined up on a shelf, right? Super cute. And here's the tags. And I hope you guys don't mind that I do this so close to Halloween, but I just wanted to get them out for you. Oh, you know what I need to do here? Let me see if I can see something. I don't want you to give you the same tags here. Hold on, do I? No, we're going to swap these 2 tags out. That goes there, and so they're a little different. Each tags are a little different. There we go. That's a little better. So we get the little tags. Aren't those cute? And a little bit of yarn. And so there you go. So those are the journal covers kits. So we're going to call them the journal cover kits like I did last time. And those are on my Etsy shop right now. Oh, before I let you go, let me put this up here like so, and let me put that up there like so. I want to let you know that there is one Halloween one left, and there's only one left. And I don't remember what I called this one. Oh, Skulls and Butterflies. 1 Skulls and Butterflies, and that is the only one left on my Etsy shop of the Halloween journals. Okay, so there's that, and that one comes with, a couple tags. And what else did I put in here? Let's just go through it really quick so you can get a look-see. What do we got in here? Okay, and on this one for the Halloween, it's got a cute little card. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that card in here. I was using this card to make my note, but I'll leave that in there and give you a different card. So we've got a couple of different tags that were obviously handmade that match the cover. A cute little skull. He's got a little bend there, but that's okay. And then this one says Eek, and it's sparkly, so that would be cute on the cover. A little Eek. And then we've got some trim with the gold skulls. Aren't those pretty? And then some fat bric-a-brac to go in it, and some fat. This is fun. This is what this you guys could put on your cover like so. Like seriously, isn't that cute? I love that. And a couple of matching paper clips. Oh, this guy didn't get any matching paper clips. I might have to do that. I'm not sure. I'm not going to promise though, because they are, I think, ready to go. So, but if you get a couple of paper clips, you consider yourself lucky, right there. So this one's going to get 3 of these. Napkins, and it's a good thing because they have the witchy skull with a little have a bite on there, and then this one has a candelabra with it with the skull on that one side. So I think that's it for you guys. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoy these as much as I enjoy making them for you. And I will put these are on Etsy right now. So let me know if you're interested, and I will send them out to you pretty much as soon as I get your order. All right, you guys. So enjoy. I hope you guys will, want to get in on these little covers, because I'm not sure when I'm going to make more, but I know I will. I just don't know when. I've got some other things coming down the pipe too, but again, I'm not sure when. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and take care, guys. Be well. Bye now.